Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Teresa here with a layout for you for the Traci Designs creative team. I'm working with the Our Stories Matter or Our Story Matters collection just released. And so let me go to Photoshop and share with you some details about this hybrid scrapbook layout. First things first that stands out is the film strip pattern paper set on the diagonal and the photo echoing that diagonal angle or that sort of to the side angle, and then the casual notebook paper, ledger paper behind it in blue to complement the burgundy gown in the photo. Obviously Nick's graduation here. And then in contrast, the title is horizontal. And so there's quite an interesting intersection of lines in this layout. And that's kind of what makes it a dynamic layout. So here you can see what I printed on the background. The ribbon and the enamel dots in a digital format, the ribbon in digital format, some ink splotches that I added myself, and then the film strip pattern paper and a little touch of the orange pattern paper, just as a little bit of a transition between the film strip and the blue ledger paper. I wanted to utilize this great frame collage here from the digital kit from our Story Matters collection. And so I've cropped the photo to fit behind it. My title, the snapshots and memories. I love just a very simple, again, simple and casual title here in a mixture of fonts that pull your eye directly into the layout, especially where I have it arranged on the, layout. So let's go ahead and dive into the process here. I'm going to go ahead and adhere the photo to the frame, of course. You could print those out as one element. I went ahead and printed them out separately, just to give a few more layers here in true 3 dimensions. I love the play between the drop shadows and the appearance of dimension in the digital world compared to the physical dimension in the hybrid world. I love it. I love it. I'm enjoying it. Enjoying playing with that in these layouts with the printed digital backgrounds. I hope you are too. Hope you're finding some new ways to use the beautiful ephemera and embellishments included in these collections. The journaling I placed on the tag. Notice how I left the digital twine on the tag. You could, snip that off and add a physical twine if you wanted to. But again, in the spirit of experimentation and seeing how it works together. The title here, I'm going to pop up with this abysmal foam tape. It is not my friend. I talk about this foam tape every day. But I do like how it holds up the photo or holds up the embellishment that you're attaching. And it feels pretty solid. So behind the title, as I've been doing lately, I added the location and the date of the event using and kind of repeating that blue ledger. These were little, notepad embellishments in the collection. So that seemed like a great way to repeat that blue ledger and also have that little journaling pop up off of the film strip pattern paper. I added one of the word strips above at the top along with the ribbon. I love that one is my favorite one, my favorite word strip ever. This one's going in the album. I love that so much. There are so many little details like that in this collection that repeat our sentiments as scrapbookers. And it just, the whole collection feels like coming home. It was made for us, you guys. But I also hope that I've been showing how versatile the collection is as well. This is a graduation layout, obviously, and it works beautifully for it. And it echoes the sentiments that I felt from that day. And now, hooray, I have that layout completed. Thanks so much for joining me today. I will have links to the product down below, as always. And I will see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye.